Good morning, everyone. Now, in this lecture, we will move towards the new module, that is, fifth module on orthographic projections. So, first, we will see an introduction about what is orthographic projections. So, orthographic projection is nothing but a technical drawing, okay, in which we view the object and projections of the object on different reference plane observing perpendicular to respect to the various reference planes. Okay, so orthographic projections म्हणजे काय? For example, if we have a cylinder, now we technically draw its drawing by observing that object and projecting its projections on different reference planes. Okay, now we have known which are the different reference plane. There are basic two important reference plane that we generally use, that is horizontal plane and vertical plane. But the basic principal reference planes are three: horizontal plane, vertical plane, side or profile plane. So in orthographic projections, we make use of these three planes to draw the projections of the respective object. So we will see with respect to these planes which projections comes in vertical plane or horizontal plane or profile plane. So different views, like we know front view comes in the VP, top view comes in the HP in general. This is the first angle method. When the object is placed in first quadrant, it is called as first angle method that I have told you. So if the object is placed in first quadrant, its front view will come in VP, its top view will come in HP, and its side view will come in PP. So these are the different views which can be seen projected on the respective planes. Now, these are the notations that I have told you. For top view, simply use AB words. For front view, use A dash, B dash. And for side view, A double dash or B double dash, these notations are used. These are the words. If you have to give notations in respect to the numbers, you should also give the numbers, as in front of you will give 1, 2, in front view will give 1 dash, 2 dash, inside view will give 1 double dash, 2 double dash. So the terms during the module projection of lines and points, I have told you for HP, to explain that the point or a line is in respective quadrant, we used four terms: above, below, in front and behind. So when above and below words are used, what that it means? That the object is with respect to HP. म्हणजे जर above or below हे words आले, for example, the cylinder is above the HP, so it is with respect to HP. So above and below words are used with respect to HP, and in front and behind words are used with respect to VP. Clear? Now we will see the various types of views, that projection views that we draw. So while drawing the projections of any object, we basically use parallel line method and parallel line method. But for the types of views, projections are divided into parallel one and converge ones. Then these parallel ones are divided into orthogonal and oblique. But now we are focusing on the orthogonal. So what are the types of views in orthogonal? The multi-views and the axometric views. So how the multi-view drawing can be seen like this, and how the axometric drawings can be seen like this. This is a pictorial drawings. So for the purpose of knowing what are the parallel projection views, what is the orthogonal, what are the types of views that comes in the orthogonal, this is just an introduction to you. Okay, now we will see the various comparisons of these views. So multi-view drawings. It is accurately presents the object details. It accurately presents the front view, the top view, the side view of the object, its size and shape. But it requires training to visualize. म्हणजे ते understand करायला we need a proper training for that. Now pictorial drawings. They are easy to visualize, to understand, and the shape and angular distortion. When circular hole becomes ellipse, the right angle becomes obtuse angle in case of pictorial drawings. Okay. And perspective drawings. Object looks more like what our eyes perceive. म्हणजे ऑब्जेक्ट लुक्स मोर लाईक व्हॉट आर आईज परस्यू म्हणजे आपले डोळे काय बघतात त्यानुसार ते ऑब्जेक्ट्स आपल्याला दिसतात सो इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू क्रिएट and the size and shape of this distortion. This is the description of various types of views and its comparison. Now we will move towards the main part, that is the planes. Now we have studied the projection of lines, points, projection of solids with respect to the vertical plane and horizontal plane. Means we have studied if the, for example, we have solved many problems. Like for example, we have studied if an object is placed above the HP and in front of VP, then it will come in first quadrant. Its front view will come in VP, its top view will come in HP. This we have studied. So what are the planes? There are basic two principal planes, HP and VP. But in orthogonal projections, we use the profile plane over which the side view comes, which is perpendicular to both the planes. We will see. These principal planes which are those are HP and VP. And auxiliary planes कुठली आहेत? Auxiliary vertical plane, auxiliary inclined plane and profile plane. So what is auxiliary vertical plane? So here you can see this is a vertical plane and this is the HP. A auxiliary vertical plane is always perpendicular to HP. It is perpendicular to HP and it is making some angle with the VP. In that case, the plane is called as auxiliary vertical plane. Okay. Now we will move towards the next auxiliary plane, that is auxiliary inclined plane, AIP. For auxiliary inclined plane, it is making some angle with HP and it is perpendicular to VP. Okay. And what is profile plane? The profile plane is the one which is perpendicular to both the planes. That is, it is perpendicular to VP as well as it is perpendicular to HP. Clear? Now we will see the patterns of the planes and the views. First we will study about the first angle method. So in this pictorial setup of the three planes, that is vertical plane, horizontal plane, profile plane, that is PP. Now you can see the arrows, like this is below the HP, this is with towards the side of the VP. Okay. So in this direction only VP and a view on it, that is vertical front view, can be seen. The other planes are views on those cannot be seen. Yes. आता जर इकडून बघायला गेलो तर ओनली फ्रंट व्यू विल बी सीन इन VP. इथून बघायला गेलो तर ओनली साइड व्यू विल बी सीन इन द PP. वरून बघायला गेलो तर ओनली टॉप व्यू विल बी सीन इन द HP. So while solving the problem, when only two planes were there, what we did that we rotated this HP at an angle 90 degrees to the VP. म्हणजे हा आपण रोटेट केला, हा असा केला. ओके. आता इथं प्रोफाईल प्लेन पण आहे. मग हे this is in 3D, but it is not possible to draw the projections like front view, top view and side view in 3D, right? So what we have done with respect to VP, we have rotated the HP, making an angle 90 degree with the VP. Similarly, इथं प्रोफाईल प्लेन आहे, तो आपण साईडने रोटेट केला 90 डिग्रीजने. सो ते असं येणार. सो आता आपण काय बघितलं, फ्रंट व्ह्यू विल कम इन VP, टॉप व्ह्यू विल कम इन HP अँड लेफ्ट हँड साईड व्ह्यू, कारण हा आपण इकडनं बघणार तो लेफ्ट हँड साईड व्ह्यू झाला. सो लेफ्ट हँड साईड व्ह्यू ऑलवेज इन फर्स्ट अँगल मेथड, फ्रंट व्ह्यू विल कम इन VP, top view will come in HP and left hand side view will come in PP, like this. So now we will see the general procedure to solve the problems. To make those planes also visible from the arrow directions, HP आपण काय केला, रोटेट केला 90 degrees downwards, म्हणजे हा HP इथे आला. PP 90 degrees in the right side direction, PP काय केला, HP च्या राईट साइडला रोटेट केला 90 degrees ने. So this way both the planes are visible, okay, and are brought in the same plane containing the VP. So इथं आपण काय केलं, HP is rotated downwards in 90 degrees and brought in the plane of VP. Here PP is rotated in right side 90 degree and brought in the plane of VP. So actual patterns of the planes and the views of the orthographic projections drawn in the first angle method of projections. So this is the actual pattern in first angle method. फ्रंट व्ह्यू कुठे येतो, VP मध्ये येतो, टॉप व्ह्यू कुठे येतो, HP मध्ये येतो, आणि लेफ्ट हँड साइड व्ह्यू कुठे येतो, at the right of the VP. Okay, clear about the first angle method? Okay, now we will see there are basically two projection systems, the first angle method and the third angle method. First angle method म्हणजे काय, the object is in first quadrant, and third angle method is what, the object is placed in the third quadrant. Okay, only first and third quadrant are used for the projection systems, never second and fourth quadrant is used. So keep in mind, first angle method म्हणजे काय, the object is placed in first quadrant and the actual pattern of the planes and the views of the orthographic projections in the first angle method will come like this. Okay, and third angle method मध्ये काय येणार, and now this is HP, this is VP, we will rotate the HP upwards at a 90 degree which will come in the same plane with respect to VP. सो जर इथं ऑब्जेक्ट असेल तर VP मध्ये फ्रंट व्ह्यू येतो इन केस ऑफ थर्ड अँगल मेथड, HP मध्ये टॉप व्ह्यू येतो, सो तो VP च्या वरती टॉप व्ह्यू येणार, and VP च्या लेफ्ट साइडला, नाव दिस इज द प्रोफाइल प्लेन, सो वी विल rotate the profile plane at an angle 90 degree from the left side of the VP. So left hand side view कुठे येणार, at the left of the VP, आणि तो खाली येणार. ओके, सी फर्स्ट अँगल मेथडला काय येणार, हा फ्रंट व्ह्यू VP मध्ये येणार, हा टॉप व्ह्यू HP मध्ये येणार, हा साइड व्ह्यू PP मध्ये येणार. तसंच हा फ्रंट, इथून बघायला गेलं तर हा फ्रंट व्ह्यू आहे, इथून बघायला गेलं तर हा टॉप व्ह्यू आहे, आणि इथून बघायला गेलं तर हा साइड व्ह्यू आहे. सो थर्ड अँगल मेथडला काय केलं, HP आहे तो रोटेट केला अपवर्ड्स, सो VP फ्रंट व्ह्यू XY लाईनच्या खाली येणार इन vertical plane, top view will come in horizontal plane above the vertical plane, and side view will come besides the vertical plane at the left side of the vertical plane. Clear about the first angle system and the third angle system? हे जे आता मी एक्सप्लेन केलं ते फोल्डिंग लाईन, आपण इकडनं हा रोटेट करणार खाली आणि इकडनं ह्या साईडला रोटेट करणार, तसंच हा आपण इकडनं रोटेट करणार आणि हा इकडनं रोटेट करणार. सो दिस आर दी फोल्डिंग लाईन्स. These yellow lines are nothing but the folding lines, which will help us to rotate the horizontal and vertical plane with respect to the horizontal plane and the profile plane with respect to the vertical plane. So see, फर्स्ट अँगल मेथड मध्ये काय येतं, फ्रंट व्ह्यू वरती येतो, टॉप व्ह्यू खाली येतो, अँड नाव हिअर इट इज अ राईट साइड व्ह्यू. सो when in first angle method right side view towards the left of VP येतो, okay, and left side view comes towards the right of the VP. हे आता काय आहे, इथं लेफ्ट हँड साइड व्यू आहे. सो इन फर्स्ट अँगल मेथड the front view will come in VP, the top view will come in HP, and left hand side view म्हणजे principal plane, when left hand side view काढायचा असेल तर तो towards the right of VP येतो, आणि जेव्हा right hand view काढायचा असेल तर principal plane towards the left येतो. ओके, हे लक्षात ठेवा. आणि थर्ड अँगल मेथड मध्ये काय होतं, VP मध्ये टॉप व्ह्यू येतो, HP मध्ये फ्रंट व्ह्यू येतो. सॉरी, HP कम्स बिलो, राईट. सो इथे HP आहे, इथे VP आहे. When in third angle method, if you have to draw the right side view, then the principal plane will come in the right only, and if you want to draw the left hand side view, then it will come in the left side only. So third angle method ला confusion होत नाही. फर्स्ट अँगल मेथड ला काय लक्षात ठेवायला लागतं, front view comes in VP, top view comes in HP. If you have to draw the left hand side view, it will come towards the right of the VP, म्हणजे principal plane येणार towards the right of the VP. आणि जर आपल्याला right hand side view काढायचा असेल तर principal plane comes towards the left of the VP. opposite होतं फर्स्ट अँगल मध्ये. थर्ड अँगल मध्ये सेम आहे, साइड व्ह्यू राईट हँड साइड ऑफ VP ला येणार, आणि फ्रंट लेफ्ट हँड साइड व्यू लेफ्ट हँड साइडला येणार, आणि राईट हँड साइड व्यू राईट हँड साइडला येणार. So this is the difference between first angle method and third angle method. In next lecture we will see some numericals. Before that we will see an actual example if the object is placed in the respective angle in respect to the quadrants, and how its projections are drawn by using the parallel projection methods. ते आपण आधी बघू, and then we will see number of examples, and similarly you should see the videos and make the notes of the same. Okay, clear about the topics? Okay, thank you.